guys, so today I'm gonna be doing something just creative and fun, and I had an idea for a photo shoot that I want to do. Today's weather is so beautiful and the sun apparently goes down at 4:58 p.m. I already checked with Siri. So today I want to do a really like 90s-ish inspired makeup look, if you couldn't tell by the butterfly clips. And I want this video to be like aesthetic as fuck. I don't know how this video is gonna go. We're gonna see. This is actually what inspired me to want to do a yellow look today. This is the Colourpop Volumizing Mascara, and they come in all these different colors. I was actually so humbled and excited because it came with this card from Colourpop, and it says here, "Hey Christy, we wanted you to be the first to receive our first ever mascara. We noticed you're usually one of the first to post, so we wanted to get it to you ASAP. We will not be sending the rest of our PR until 1/22. Thanks so much for all the love and support," which is so kind. What sucks is I received this yesterday because I was in LA. So I was one of the first to receive it, and actually one of the last because I wasn't even home. I'm just gonna jump into this look. I've seen Gina Shkeda, I'm not sure if it's Shkeda, and Alissa actually both do really aesthetically beautiful videos, and so I wanted to do my best at it today. Who knows if I was able to create that. And the palette that I'm gonna use for today is actually the Morphe and James Charles palette. This color in person is very like greeny pinky. It has much more of a green shift to it than it does pink. I want this look to be really messy and like, I'm going for kind of a 90s grungy vibe. I know this looks absolutely insane, but I'm telling you it's going to most likely come together. I want to try putting this through my eyebrows and see if maybe that would look neat, like almost like a yellow bleached brow kind of look. This is how looks come together though, man. It's fun. Just screw around with makeup. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope this was interesting for you guys to watch, and I hope that it was pleasing to watch. I have no idea how this is going to turn out because I have not edited it yet, and this is all coming down to editing, baby. So I hope you guys like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You guys can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Both are Raw Beauty Christy. And I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you at my next video. Bye!